Hello everyone, welcome to Sapthora Online Learning. Myself Vijay Krishna. I'm the keyboard teacher of Sapthora. So today I'm going to teach you the first topic of the summer camp, the homework lesson. So the topic is, before we start the playing of any song or anything on the keyboard, so first we need to learn the finger numbers. So here you can see my both hands. We usually use the both hands to play the keyboard or the piano. Okay, so the left hand and the right hand will have two different parts played on the lessons for any music. So before starting to learn any song, so I would like to teach you the first topic is that the finger numbers. So here I'm closing my both hands like this, and this is the hands, left hand, and this is my right hand. And first we need to open our thumb finger. So this thumb finger is a universal called as one. So wherever we go in the world, we follow the same finger numbers. So once we learn this process, it will be followed by the same. So this is the one, and the index finger will goes to the two, and the three is the middle finger, and four and five. So five fingers with the both hands we use for playing the keyboard or else the piano. So I'm going to teach you again the same finger numbers. That is, the thumb is the 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So you can spell it out while doing this to learn the first thing in the keyboard. So close your fingers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And coming back reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now you need to remember these finger numbers in order to play the lessons efficiently. So it will be same for your right hand. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the same for your left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we look at the keyboard, the next topic is the keyboard and the piano will look similar because of the color combination of the keys. So this is the universal color code of the keys. One is the white keys roll on the down, and one is the black keys rolls on the top. So this will be followed universally the same color pattern. And in some cases, we can find like little different colors of the keys, but most the general keyboard and piano will be there on the same colors for the white and black keys. So here I would like to tell you, this is the standard keyboard size where I am using in my front. So this has a set of 61 keys in total, the white and the black is together. So now I'm going to count only the black notes at the first from the starting towards my left side. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total 25 black notes are there on my keyboard, and they are like a pattern. So if you see the black notes, they are like a pattern, and set of 2 and 3. Again the set of 2 and 3. Again the set of 2 and 3. Here also 2, 3, 2, 3. So this all will look like a pattern. Not only on this keyboard, it will be same on the every keyboard. It will show the matter of size of the keyboard. It varies sometimes it might be like bigger like me, and some keyboards are smaller like this size. So the smaller keyboard, the lesser black keys and white keys you get it. So as a pattern, this 2 and 3 together we call as a set. This set in my keyboard will get complete to 5 sets. So counting with the first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A set of 5 black notes is called a set, and it has a name. We call it as octave. This is called as octave, and the spelling is OCTAVE. The octave 1, octave 2, octave 3, octave 4, and octave 5. So some keyboards, smaller keyboards, will have from here, starting with the 3 black notes, okay, like this, and followed by 2, 3, 2, 3. So the size will be half of the standard keyboard. So they will be getting the 2 sets of octaves and a half of 3. So we call it as 2.5 octave. And after learning the black notes, we need to come down to the white notes. The white notes is all together mixed, and you couldn't see much like black notes pattern. But once you get the black notes pattern, the white notes are very easy to understand. And here I'm going to count my white keys, and I'm going to show you. Previously we counted the black, there's a 25 keys, and now I'm going to count my white keys. So it's starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Got it? And here all together, combined together, we will get a 61 keys set of all in the standard size keyboard. It's very simple. If you have the octaves like this and you're counting this 5 octaves, 5 set of keys, you'll be definitely having the 61 keys. And some keyboards will be little more bigger than this. It goes up to 88 keys sometimes and 76 keys in some cases. And the size of keyboards will define the number of keys present there. And that's our second topic, the white and black notes. And now I'm going to present my screen and show you a little difference between topics of the keyboard and the piano. So now I'm going to show you and present my screen, and I will explain you how the keyboard and piano looks. So here is a simple document that you can see here, and this one is the keyboard in your left side, and this one is the digital piano. So if you see, the structure will be different and first, and the similarities is the white keys and the black keys present here, and here also the same white and black keys you'll be finding, and you'll be having a simple different kinds of pedals, and sometimes it will be covered with a big wooden box at the back side. So you might be seeing the cartoon like a Tom and Jerry, mostly famous for the piano. Sometimes in some episodes the Tom goes to the piano, and the Jerry sometimes it will slips on the piano. So you can find it out there. And the left side is the keyboard. This completely works with electronic, and it works with electronic, and it is very comfortable to move, and it is flexible to hold. Okay, when we see the structure, this is a bigger one compared to this inside. So while moving to the down, the next topic is the names of the white and black keys. So there will be a series of the names together, and the names followed like this. The white keys have an alphabet, and black keys is between the two white keys. So that's, I'm sharing, as you see my keyboard here is a white and a black keys. So in order to play this, all white and black keys looks very similar, and we'll get confused what is the names and how we need to do it. So it's very easy once we learn the names of the white and black keys. It's very simple to understand, and later we can progress our playing. So let's move on to the first topic, as only the white keys names for today. And it has a set of series. Like, it is similar compared when we type any letter in the laptop. So we need to know what are the letters present on the keys so that we can type efficiently and we can do our work easily. And the same process when we come to the music, we need to know where the notes lies and the places to represent the songs and to play any music kind of things. So as this thing, I'm going to explain you the alphabets, what will be there. And before explaining the white keys names, the music has a 7-letter alphabets. The English alphabets, if we take the English subject, that is total 26 alphabets. And when we come to the music, we will take only 7 alphabets out of 26. So that is very simple. That starts with A, B, and C, D, E, F, G. So that's it, the 7 we use for the music. Not only the keyboard or piano, for any musical instrument, anything related to the music, we will use only these 7 letters. We call it as 7 musical notes, and in some places we call it Sapthaswaras. And there will be no H and I or J or any other Z in the music. So you need to remember this, the 7 set of letters. So starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. And after G, the A will repeat again. So as you see here, this is the level 2. And before starting today, I have explained these finger numbers. When you see this, this is the right hand and this is the left hand. So the similarities is the both thumb fingers are the number 1 and the index finger is number 2, and 3 is the middle finger, and 4 ring finger, and 5 will be the pinky, the little finger. Okay, when we scroll it down, this is our first lesson that we are going to play on our keyboard with our both hands. And this lesson will improve the flexibility of playing and increases the strength of the nose and fingers. So before starting any musical lesson, the first exercise of 5 fingers is very much important. So now I'm going to present my virtual piano. So virtual piano, here it is. As I said, the names previously, the music starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is the 7-letter alphabets we use in the music. That's A, B, and C, D, E. And after G, probably we'll get the A again, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's all. The keyboard pattern will go and go. So as of today, we will just focus on the white keys names. So in order to see the keyboard, the music, the, the music has 7-letter alphabets in total. But when we come to the keyboard, we'll start with the letter called the C. Most of the keyboards, standard keyboards, and starts with the letters C. And after C, the same pattern we use for the alphabets. After C, we'll get the D, E, and F, G, A. So as I said, after G, we don't have H or I. So we'll move to A directly, and B and C. So this is the pattern. After B, we'll get the C again, D, E, F, G, A, B, and again the C. So this is the pattern goes round and round. So here I have a simple technique to find out the C letter. So here I'm marking, as I said you already, there is a set of 2 and 3 pattern black keys and set of 2 and 3, 2 and 3 in all the keyboards. Wherever we find the 2 set of black notes like this, below that we can find easily the C note. Okay, here I have the C note, and here a set of 2 black notes again. I can find the C note, and again here the set of 2 black notes. I can find the C note here also, and total 3. And in our first lesson, we will start from the C note as usual. So here I'm coming back to my keyboard again. So this is the keyboard, and the 2 black notes, I can find the C. And again, I'm finding the 2 black notes. I got the C here. And again, the 2 black notes, C. And 2 black notes, C. 2 and C. So here I'm going to do the first lesson exercise on my keyboard for today. So that's the practice for you. So we're starting with the right hand first, taking my thumb finger, the first finger, and I'm playing the C note, and the second finger on D, E, and fourth one, and 5. So total 5 fingers and 5 keys, 5 white keys. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm coming back reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm starting with my left hand. So I'm taking the previous C where I have before the right hand. So I'm going to find my 2 black notes again, and down. This is the C note, but the left hand is opposite. It will start with a C. So it starts with little finger, C, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the finger numbers, it starts with 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this is my right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And left hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And both hands together. And coming back reverse as we go same way. So this is the lesson you need to practice, the first lesson. This is very important for your fingers techniques, and it will improve the strength and flexibility. And here I'm going to play again one more time. So practice this lesson more and more, and you'll get the flexibility of playing before going to the lessons. And here I have one more thing for you. This is the keyboard and the piano explained, and we went through the white note names today. And our next topic is the finger numbers to remember. And here is our first exercise that we played. So at the last, this is the drawing part of the homework that we need to do today. So just simple, we need to draw this and write the name and write the counts. And followed by second one and third and fourth. That's it. And that's it for today, the homework lessons. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.